Meet Tom. Tom just got a great idea to make a website about teaching how to play the flute, so he went to the internet to shop for web hosting. Tom picked an unlimited hosting plan, but he was very surprised that he will get the advertised price only when he pays 4 years in advance. After he signs up, he finds his new website is full of ads, undermining the credibility of the site from the very beginning. What's more, half of the icons are used for upselling and should be included by default in just 10 days. Tom gets notified that his email is reaching his quota of 200 megs. He finds out that he can have an unlimited number of email accounts, but each one comes with just a tiny quota. There has to be a better solution. His friend tells him about SriLanka hosting.com, a simple, fast pay-as-you-go web hosting service. SriLanka hosting takes web hosting to the next level. For web and databases, we use SSD drives only. What's more, every single gigabyte of MySQL data is cached in the RAM for ultra-fast MySQL queries, and finally, most of the PHP files sit pre-compiled in the RAM. So when your page loads, it doesn't even need to touch the SSD or compile the PHP script, it's just ready right away. With pay-as-you-go, it's impossible to oversell. Hosting an average WordPress website usually costs around $1.30 per month, which is much less than our competitors. And you don't need to worry about costs going through the roof. We charge only for the things you can control, disk space used and number of domains, so you know exactly how much you will pay. Tom is adding new videos every day and doesn't need to be worried about being kicked out from the shared hosting. As he grows, he pays more, but he is still better off than dealing with virtual servers and paying expensive Linux system administrators. Pay as you go. It's fair for everybody. SriLanka hosting simple, fast, pay-as-you-go web hosting start now, with only $1.30 that you will start using after you add your first domain.